Hello, good morning students. So you are now watching the tutorial session of MS Excel, and in this session we are going to discuss about the charts, how to insert a chart in your MS Excel file. Okay, so first of all we need to know what the chart is. A chart is a tool that you can use in Excel to communicate your data graphically. I repeat, a chart is a tool that you can use in MS Excel to communicate your data graphically. That means to represent your data graphically. Okay. So as you can see over here, I have already made a table. This one, I've already made a table based on the real life data actually taken from the Wikipedia. And this data is about the religions in India according to the 2011 census. Okay. And these are the percentage of the religions. Suppose Hinduism is 79.8%, Christianity is 2.3%, and so on. Okay. So to insert a pie chart, I'm going to insert a pie chart based on this data. So to insert a pie chart, first of all, you will have to select the entire data, what I have already selected. Now going to insert tab and click on 2D pie, just like this. Okay, now just expand this to make it much more visible. Okay. So this is the pie chart created based on this data. Okay. So now you can go to the design tab, and also you can also change the design as per your wish. Okay. You can also change the set of colors. You can also change the set of colors as you can see over here. Okay. So these are the set of colors. So this is the pie chart. Okay, now we are going to insert 2D column or bar chart. Okay, so I am shifting to sheet 5. Now you can see I have already made a table based on my monthly expenses. Okay, so this is a table, this is the data based on my monthly expenses. For October, the room rent is 1000. For November, the room rent is 1000. For December, the room rent is 1200. Okay, the fooding, this is the fooding expenses of the 3 months. This is the electricity bill of the 3 months. Okay, now I'm going to insert 2D column. The same process, go to insert tab and then select 2D column. I'm just maximizing it to make it much more visible, clear. Okay, so you can go to the design tab and you can also change the design. You can also change the chart title, suppose month wise expenses. Okay, so this is for October, this is for November, and this is for December. And the blue is the room rent, and the orange is the orange brown is the fooding, and the gray color representing the electricity bill. Okay, so now over here you can also change the colors, the set of colors, you can change it. Okay, so this is the graphical representation of this data. Okay, so now I just want to change the chart type. For an example, suppose this is column. Now I am going to replace with the bar. So this is the bar chart based on this data only. Okay, I've just changed the chart type, nothing else. So that is all about the insertion of a chart in your Excel. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.